Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with an interesting batch which is nothing but quick start Salesforce DX. So this is also going to be the prerequisite for our Salesforce JavaScript Developer 1 certification. If you need solution for any of these challenges, playlist will be available in our channel. Do check that. Let's take up our first challenge now. So once if you launch your challenge 1, you will be finding install the CLI from Salesforce CLI link. So I'm just going to click on the Salesforce CLI, and here according to my system I'm just going to click on download for Windows 64. So it is getting download over here. So once it is done, I'm just going to click on the executable file. So once if you're opening your file, you will be getting this. So I'm just going to click on next, followed by install. So it will be taking minimum 2 minutes to extract all the files. So guys, here our extraction is all done. So this is getting added to the path, and we need to wait until we are getting this completed message and setup was completed successfully. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on Windows plus R key combination, so that here you can give a command cmd in order to open the command prompt. So here I'm just going to give sf update followed by enter, and here it will take some more time to run this command. We need to wait. So here we are getting the message updating CLI. So here you can minimize the screen, and if you come back to our challenge, let's click on verify step now. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. So remaining 2 challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.